A dome city is a hypothetical structure that encloses a large area.
The dome is airtight, creating a city that can be controlled for temperature, regulate weather, and air quality.
Dome cities have been an idea of science fiction since the early 20th century that could be placed on Earth, the Moon, or other planets.
People have described dome cities in response to many problems, such as air pollution and other environmental destruction, basically benefiting the lives of the people living in them.
With weather control, we can eliminate snow and ice formation that causes many road problems.
It could also keep out major hurricanes, tornadoes, and even ice storms.
With dome cities, we would be able to bring life to other planets and even the moon. The dome city would be able to mimic life on Earth by bringing oxygen, water, and a thriving ecosystem. This is a cool solution to overpopulation.
In the next 30 years, the elderly and obese population will rise dramatically. Dome cities will be made with less roads and more walking than current cities. This will enable citizens to be more active, which will reduce obesity and limit traffic deaths and accidents. Underground train systems and a few roads for trucks could be another way to get around.
Also, many well-designed dome cities will be in places like China that can be used to reduce air pollution, which kills one person out of every 1,000.
The problem with dome cities is, for example, if we had one on the moon or another planet, someone could possibly hack into it and mess with the weather that the dome city wasn't built for.
Another problem is that if someone was to break it, it could cause the entire city to be crushed by falling debris.
If the dome were to ever break, the government would be responsible for thousands of deaths.
Something else that should be considered is the cost of building a dome city and the engineering challenges. A structure like this would be very difficult to build, considering it needs to hold up thousands of people, be extremely reliable, and keep out major weather forces.
The cost to initially build the dome would be about $140 billion, with high maintenance costs and security needs, all while hoping the dome doesn't fail.
In fact, the rule of Dubai has been working on climate-controlled dome city covering an area of 48 million square feet. It would be able to generate solar energy, harvest rainwater, and harness wind energy.
To conclude, dome cities will be able to drastically improve our environment, but unfortunately, there are still many problems the dome creates.